If I had found this exact video during my boards, I genuinely believe my BSc score would have been even higher. I scored 91 marks in business studies, and what I'm about to share with you is not motivation, it's pure strategy. So, if your BSc exam is near and you want 90 plus in the last 15 days, do not skip this video. Watch it till the end because one mistake in BSc is not lack of knowledge, it's lack of strategy. I genuinely believe that BSc is one of the most scoring subject in CBSE, and I'm saying this from my own experience because it is easy, predictable, and yes, even 100 out of 100 is possible, but only if you study it the right way, especially in the last 15 days. Today, I will give you a properly structured, chapter wise, exam oriented plan with 12 points, not random advice like read NCRT, revise this, do that. So let's start with point number one, why BST is a scoring subject. First, clear this in your mind. CBSE repeats questions, concepts are very limited, and evaluation is based on keyword and presentation. If a student solves all PYQs, trust me, they can walk into the exam hall with confidence and score exceptionally well. PYQs are your biggest weapon. Point number two, how to solve PYQs smartly. Don't just solve PYQs by solving. Observe which questions are repeated, which keywords CBSE prefers, how case studies are framed. CBSE often asks the same concepts with slightly different language. If you master PYQs, the paper will feel familiar, not scary. Point number three, answer writing strategy. And this is where most students lose marks. Do not write long paras, always write answers in pointers. For long answers, use headings, subheadings, draw flow charts, simple diagrams, underline the keywords, subheadings with pencil. Why? Because the examiner does not have time to read everything. Clear keywords will help you fetch more marks. Point number four, presentation and speed. In BST, speed matters a lot. Even a student who is not very confident with his content can score more if writing is neat, structure is clear, answers are well presented, flowcharts, diagrams, spacing, these are silent marks boosters. Point number five, MCQs. Easy but dangerous to ignore. Yes, BST MCQs are very easy, but weightage is equals to 20 marks. If you ignore MCQs thinking easy hai, you are risking free marks. Practice MCQs regularly, especially from PYQs. Point number six, case studies. Case studies are not random, they are made from NCRT keywords and phrases. So read NCRT carefully, understand the language. Reference books can help, but NCRT is non negotiable. Point number seven, concept clarity is a must. Case studies are solved only through concept clarity, not memorization. If your concepts are clear, case studies become easy, answers become logical. Point number 8, don't waste time on full lectures. In the last 15 days, do not watch full chapter lectures. BST is a theory subject. Self study is very important. Watch videos only for tough topics. Your time is limited. Use it wisely. Point number 9, writing practice is essential. BST is a writing based subject. More writing means better structure, better speed, better confidence. And if you want marks, you must practice writing. Point number 10, learn from your mistakes. If you are making mistakes now, that's actually a good sign. But identify weak topics, write them down in your notebook or back of the book. Then practice those topics again and again. Mistakes plus correction will increase improvement. Point number 11, know your strong and weak chapters. You must clearly know which chapters are strong and which chapters are weak. Weak chapters should be done first so you don't panic during gap days. Point number 12, these are all the chapters of BST that you need to plan smartly for your boards. Now let's discuss high weighted chapter strategy. Chapter number 2, principles of management. This is one of the most important chapter. CBSE's favorites include Fayol's principles, Taylor's principle. Learn principles along with the examples. Add examples to beautify the answers. Write examples separately. Clearly mention for example what. Examples make your answers more practical, impressive, and scoring. Chapter number 9 and 10, financial management and financial market. Many students find these difficult. If you feel the same, do these chapters first. Very important comparisons, money market versus capital market, primary market versus secondary market. These chapters are high weightage. On this channel, I will provide important questions, PYQs, high weightage topics, and chapter wise strategies dedicatedly for BST to help you score your best. For concept clarity, you can also refer to Sunil Panda, a reliable teacher for BST. If this video cleared even one confusion in your mind, then you owe yourself one thing, and that's consistency. Like this video, subscribe to the channel because every next video is going to be short, practical, and board oriented. And comment done once you have saved this video, because saving this strategy means saving your percentage. Do comment down if you are aiming for 90+%.